Hi, it's Nishi, and in today's video what I want to talk about is how you can delegate your banking in your business. So when you start your business, the chances are you're probably making all the payments yourself, checking everything had come in yourself, and because your business was smaller, it was probably straightforward enough to do. But as your business gets larger, the chances are you've probably got an admin person in the business, if not a bookkeeper, and it's probably time to hand over all of the payments in your business to them so they can make those payments without you getting too involved. But it's really important to do this in a way that's completely secure so you don't end up having fraud going on in your business. So this is the key thing. And in this video, I'm just going to quickly cover an overview of how that process works for most businesses. So most banks that you're with for business banking, they often have a level you can upgrade to or another couple of levels you can upgrade to. And those levels mean that you can have a member of your team upload a payment run. So a payment run is like a spreadsheet with all the people that need to be paid, the bank details, the amount, the date. And then what happens is you then go in and you approve that payment run, and then all those people get paid. So the challenge with something like that is if you're not careful, it can be a recipe for disaster or for fraud. And it's so what I want to cover now is a couple of things that you can do to just really secure that process. It's important because if you've got about 100 people to pay, you probably as a business owner don't want to go into each of those 100 people and make those payments yourself. So having a member of your team do it is incredibly valuable. Ultimately, a lot of the accounting software that's available at the moment, especially Xero, they have a payment run feature, so you can set up contacts in the software and then put the bank details into those contacts, and then when you set up the payment run, Xero will automatically send the payment run to your bank after you've for your approval, and that's really important. And one of the really good things with Xero is, by the way, if you don't use accounting software, then usually what you'd have to do is you'd go into your online banking, you'd go through every single transaction, just make sure it's the right amount to the right person, and the bank details are correct, and then you would approve it. That can be really time consuming. So one of the really good things software like Xero lets you do is you can have permissions. So the person dealing with the pay run, for example, might not have permission to actually add people's your bank details. So that's quite a good one, because what that means is when you actually approve that pay run, you can be reasonably confident no one's actually been into your Xero account and switched out a supplier's bank details for their own or for someone else's. So that can actually just give you that extra level of protection. But really, to do it right, you can do the whole pay run thing, check everything yourself, make sure you're completely confident, but also when you use your software to do it, you'll save yourself loads of time and increase the security drastically. So that's what I'd recommend. But if you are sitting there every month, like making loads and loads of payments, and sometimes you don't even make all the payments, which annoys your suppliers, and really think about getting a member of your team to do it for you and having the right process around it. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next video.